everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix location issues in YouTube. So is YouTube showing the wrong country on your laptop? Maybe videos are blocked, recommendations feel off, or you're seeing content from a different region? Don't worry, this is a common issue. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix YouTube location problems step by step. So step 1, change location in YouTube settings. So first, open youtube.com in your browser. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now go and look for location. Tap on it. And in here, select your correct country from the list. Now step 2 is to turn off VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, YouTube may detect a different location. So what you need to do is to open your VPN, turn it off, then refresh the page. So this alone fixes the issue in most cases. Step 3 is to clear browser cache and cookies. So all data can cause location errors. If you're using Google Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, scroll down to Settings. Now at the left side, tap on Privacy and Security, then tap on Delete Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Cache Files, then click Clear Data or Delete Data. Then restart your browser after that. So close Chrome and reopen it. Open YouTube and see if that fixes the issue. Now, step 4 is to check browser location. So your browser might be blocking location access. So what you need to do is to go to Settings, click the 3 dots at the top right, go to Settings at the bottom. Now tap on Privacy and Security, go to Site Settings, and look for location under permissions. So tap on location and make sure location access is allowed. Now, step 5 is to check your Google account. So sometimes your account affects YouTube results. So to do that, go to Google account. Now, once you're in Google account, tap on personal info at the left side. So once you're on personal info, go look for region and make sure it matches your country. Then go back to YouTube, refresh the page, and see if that fixed the issue. So some videos are region locked due to licensing. So even with the correct settings, certain content may still not be available in your country. And that's it. Those are the fastest ways to fix YouTube location issues. So start with changing your YouTube location and turning off your VPN. That usually solves instantly. Thanks for watching.